Tonight I'm making skirt steak fajitas on the Weber. Let's get it. As always, I'm gonna start with a little bit of BaconUp. Fall is finally here in Georgia, so I'm layered up with my free fly quarter zip. I have 1 onion, a red bell pepper, a green bell pepper, and some mushrooms. On the vegetables, I'm gonna add some smoked paprika, garlic powder, chili powder, cilantro, cumin, and black pepper. I'll get that all tossed around in the BaconUp. I had this skirt steak marinating in lime juice and a fajita rub from Crow Food Co. These burners are on medium, this one's on high, and this one over here is off. Get this skirt steak flipped over. The steak is done. We're gonna move all the vegetables to the cool zone. It's very important that you cut your skirt steak correctly. The grain is very heavy going in this direction. So if you just cut it this way, you're gonna get really chewy steak. Instead, I'm gonna cut it in 3 to 4 inch sections. Then I'm going to turn it and I'm gonna cut my slices going across the grain. And for the finishing touch, we're gonna squeeze a fresh lime. I'm gonna start with a little bit of that steak, some of my vegetables. I have a little Chihuahua cheese. I also have some cotija cheese. I'm gonna throw a lid over them with a little water to get some sizzle. With that nice and melty, I'm gonna top it with some crema. It's time for that first bite. I highly recommend either skirt steak or flank steak for your fajitas. Let's eat, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, you're gonna love the rest, and you can get started by clicking that one at the top of the screen. I would also be honored if you would subscribe to my channel by clicking the button at the bottom.